What is race condition? To explain this, let me take an example of a counter class. So it's a simple class which has two methods. One is to increment the value of count and another one is to return the value of count. Let me call this increment method with a single thread. So let me run this code and see the output is 1000, which is correct because we are calling this method 1000 times. So you can see we are calling this increment method 1000 times. Let me run this code with multiple threads. So I have already created two threads. Let me create one more thread. So let me create thread 3 and let me start this thread, and let me also call this method join, which will finish its execution before calling this get count method. So what output we are expecting? Definitely 3000. So let me run this code. So this time it is 3000, but let me run it again. So now 2407, 2513, then this time 3000. So now you see we are getting different output every time, and this is the race condition. So basically when multiple threads trying to access and modify a shared resource, so basically this is the shared resource, this count. So when multiple thread trying to access and modify a shared resource without proper synchronization, leading I mean, if we don't have proper synchronization, then it leads to unpredictable behavior, which we have seen. So let me run it again, and this time you can see the output 2913. And I hope you understood what is race condition. Thanks for watching this video.